Hey everybody, it's Artistic Kids back with another video, and as you can see here, actually you cannot see because he is invisible.
Wait.
We have Photon X.
Wait, what are you doing?
Recording a video, and also
About what?
About unboxing the gift that you've given me for my birthday. Also, this is why I'm wearing this dress.
Can I do it with you?
It's your gift, so you can.
Okay, sure.
Okay,
Guys, I'm Photon X. Subscribe to me. I'm in this Artistic Kids channel, so make sure to visit that section.
yes, it's in the featured channel section. So now, let's get to open it up, this baby. So,
Tage, would you do the honors, or should I?
I will do the honors. So, there you go. I removed
And we've got our
there's
handy tool, the scissors.
Yep. So apparently there's another box. Here's the case that it has come in.
Can I do
So let me just show you the
case
drone.
while I cut this open?
So as you can see, this is the drone. It has 4 propellers. You can attach a camera to it. If you want to buy this, you can go into Target where you can order this. I got it around $40. So you
mean I got it for you around $40?
Yep. So if you want to buy this, make sure to do so. The model is called the A10. There's also different variants to this. There's the gray color, but I like the white color, so I brought this. So let's see if our friend Photon X is done opening this yet.
Which
Seems like he's not.
Wait.
So let's just see what he's doing right now. Okay, it seems like he's gotten the tape removed. So now we gotta open it up like this. Ooh, some hard fits.
I guess there's something.
There you go.
Oh, it's
We've
like
gotten
that.
it out now.
Now let's see all these cool features of this mysterious A1 drone.
Where is the drone?
I'm pretty sure it's giving us everything but the drone.
No, wait. I think we're supposed to fix the drone here.
Here's the controller. Fun fact, it actually looks so much like a PS4 controller.
Okay, so now we'll just show you everything that we've gotten.
Oh, the drone is that small? We thought it was going to be bigger, but apparently the drone's it's really small. But let's take a second to check out the controller. It looks it looks like a Xbox controller. Actually, it has all the buttons. The only thing is it has 2 types of buttons on 2 sides, and it has buttons on 2 sides. Actually, that's the only difference.
But do not use this for playing anything video games related.
Because
now time for the big reveal of the drone. Drum roll. Ba-bam!
Yeah, I know. It's a little disappointment, but
it's really small, but it's still very cool. As you can see, you can attach a camera in this big hole that we've got.
And as you can see in this, it includes a screwdriver and backup wings and a charger. And some more screws here to attach your... I don't know if you guys could see it, but there's some small screws here. We have the screwdriver over here.
Yep. Let's see, what are these about? Are these like the batteries that are supposed to... Oh, I think that's what this section's for. Inserting these.
But I don't really know what they're for, so...
Maybe they're the batteries. Also,
and fun fact, it has a camera, which you can see when you have a phone and download an app or something. We don't know yet. We'll tell you when we have more information.
Yeah, we'll make a part 2 on this if we can.
And if you guys want, we'll set a like target in the comments down in the description, and if you guys can
help me. It's stuck.
What's stuck?
The battery's stuck in here.
What, do you want me to get it out?
Yep. So here's a controller here. We've got, it looks very much like a normal car controller and a video game controller. We've got the cursors right here, as you can see. And then we've got the buttons to make it fly.
I'm pretty sure.
And then we've got the controls. So now we've gotten it stuck, so we'll figure it out later. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. Also, comment down below if you like this video.
And make sure to check out my channel.
Yes. And how about we hit the like goal of 100 likes? And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!